Hello children! Today we are going to learn the letter Z. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zigzag. Z for zip. Z for zero. This is the letter Z reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. The zebra zigzagged on the zoo track. Zip and Zero are out of the zoo. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Differentiate between a zebra and a tiger. T. Listen to the letter Z by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of Z. A. Use black and white poster paint to create a zebra crossing. M. Count objects beginning with the sound Z around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. Z, O, O. Zoo. Z, I, P. Zip. Z, A, P. Zap. Review. In each row, encircle the beginning letter sound of the picture. Umbrella, U. Truck, T. Sun, S. Watch, W. Yo-yo, Y. Zebra, Z. Well done, children. Goodbye.